TACKLIFE 3200 PSI gas pressure washer, 2.4 GPM 6.5 HP power washer with 5 quick connect nozzles, 4-stroke OHV engine, includes 25 feet hose and detergent tank. Shipped within 24 HS working days. Powerful 4-stroke 173cc OHV engine pumps 2.4 gallons per minute, 3200 psi max pressure. 2.4 GPM at 6.5 HP power washer can eliminate stubborn stains. Efficient fuel can be fully burned for efficient conversion. 50% higher cleaning power than high-pressure electric cleaners. No trouble with wire entanglement, larger range of activities. Multipurpose includes 5 quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap suitable for a wide range of scenarios: cars, yards, garages, walls, trucks, roofs. Features: 0.8 gal big capacity detergent tank, long-lasting, 25 feet pressure hose and metal spay gun, durable 11-inch wheels, move effortlessly. The customer first, the service foremost overall. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.